Hey guys, Johnny here, and today I'm gonna switch up my taillights. See those nice SI or JDM type taillights right there? And these ugly ass stock ones are not ugly, but I just don't like the orange on them. But yeah, found these at Pick Apart. Lucky and a steal for sure. But yeah, I'm gonna set these in. Alright, first thing, you want to take the cover off, like this side too. Just pop that cover right off. There we go. And then see all these bolts right there, right there. And then the other side, they're all 8mm. So I'm gonna take those off real quick. Alright, when taking off your stock tail lights, right here, this little clip right here, you have to use the same wiring harness. But yeah, this, after you undo these, you just, twist them. One sec, there we go. You just twist them and they pop out. This one, you just gotta pull it up because it's on like a slide-in clip type deal. Dang it. The other one popped out just fine. Alright, one sec. Alright, you see the clip right there? And it just slides on. See? That just slides on right on top of that. But yeah, that's all you gotta do. Get your old one out and you put in the new one if it would focus. Or yeah, then you just put in a new one. And take off this one. There's these two right here, the inner tail lights, and then there's one 8mm right up in here. Don't want to forget about this clip, just hit that little button right here and then pull it out, then you're all good. Alright, I have my tail lights out. You see it looks all naked and dead. But I'm gonna clean these out before I put my new ones in. Alright, I cleaned out the inside of this. I didn't do a perfect job because I can scrape all that crap off, but it's like, I don't know, I just didn't want to scrape it off. But anyways, yeah, I got it clean. And this paint right here is like so smooth and new. I wish the whole car was like that still, but it's not, sadly. Alright, well, time to put it back in and put your tail lights back in, and just do the same process you did to take them off. Simple as that. Alright, here's my new tail light end for the stock wires. There they are. You just get that clip, bring it on this side, and clip it in. There you go, all ready to go. Time to put it in. Alright, I'm all done installing the tail lights. Sure looks good. Anyways, remember, all the bolts and stuff, I already covered them up, but all the bolts and stuff, they are 8mm, every single one. Then you just have the couple plugs. But look at this. Oof, that looks amazing. Yeah, that looks great. And there's my header over there, or my header shield. Painting it right now. That's the color I'm painting my oil pan and valve cover in the future. So yeah, check that out when it comes out. But yeah, if you like this video, subscribe and share. Alright, have a good day.